Question 3. Henrietta Lacks. It's a famous cell line used in cell biology. And here are some of the Hela cells in different stages of a cell cycle. This should be just a cell cycle dividing cells. This is mitosis. And they've been stained for DNA. Name the stages. This should be straightforward. This B is easier actually. We've got the chromosomes at the equator. So that is metaphase. You might have here prophase, metaphase, anaphase, early anaphase, late anaphase. Then what comes after that? Telophase, or perhaps cytokinesis, you could possibly justify. I'm going to say telophase, but you could say cytokinesis there. It's not meiosis, so we're not saying 1s or 2s or anything. Name the structures labelled X that can be seen. The things that can be seen. They've been stained with a dye that causes DNA to be visible. What's the DNA? What form is the DNA in? These are chromosomes. You could possibly say chromatids, but chromosomes, because some of them aren't chromatids really. Explain why some stain will be seen in other parts of the cell. So have you done your cell structure and know where DNA can be found? So DNA can be also found, and that's actually giving you that first mark in, for example, mitochondria. So they would have DNA in. Part B, and we got a calculation. So we need to see what we need to do. How many cells we're going to have, and we need to do this in standard form. So what information we given? They double every 19 hours. So if I've got 1 there, 19 hours later I've got 2, another 19 hours later I've got 4, another 19 hours later I've got 8, and so on. And the starting culture had 30,000, so I'm not starting with 1, I'm starting with a handy number of 30,000. Okay. And how many days have we got? 4 days. So after 4 days. Okay, so you could possibly do this longhand. You could go, I've got, how many divisions have I got? Let's so how many divisions? Well, I've got 4 days. Convert that into hours. So we've got 4 days. How many hours in the day? 24 is 96 hours. And then they're doubling every 19 hours, aren't they? So divided by 19. So 96 divided by 19 is 5.05. So how many divisions? We've got 5 divisions there. So 5.05. They'll only divide at the end of that time, won't they? So we've got 5 divisions. So you could possibly write something like this. You know, the final cells are starting 30,000 times by 2 to the power of 5. That's for you mathematicians. Or if you are a kind of maths idiot like me, then I would go, well, five divisions. So I've got 30,000. Then I've got 60,000. Then I've got 120,000. Then I've got 240,000. And double that, I've got 480,000. And that's just 1, 2, 3, so 480,000. And then on the last division, we 960,000. So let me do that on here. 30,000. So first division times 2. That's 1 division, 2 divisions, 3 divisions, 4 divisions, 5 divisions. 960,000. So 960,000. So you could sort of more or less do that almost in your head.